Hello, today I would like to review this free sample by the brand Happy Sailed. So it's a size large skirt, color pink, as you can see, button down, but only these two buttons you can remove to put it on. I'm usually a medium, this is an L. The reason why is because the medium is a little too small for me. So I figured the large would be a little too loose, but I'd rather have something loose than too tight. And has front pockets, which are very useful in case you need them. You can dress it up or down with the shoes and the blouse. And it can be formal, it can be casual. It looks very nice. I'm planning to wear it with boots. Other than that, it's just very nice. I like how it feels. The material is very breathable. So if it's in the summer that you're wearing it, the air will go through the material. I hope you enjoy it. They have different colors. Thank you for watching.